Hi guys, welcome to the Edible Beauty Kitchen. I want to share with you a quick and easy way to create a beautiful, healthy lunchbox for every day with the multi-way customizable bento box. The lunchbox is made of 100% food-grade stainless steel with a bamboo lid. Featuring movable dividers, it can be used for 1, 2, or 3 compartment meals. Let your creativity shine. Now, we created this lunchbox as an accompaniment to Edible Beauty, your complete guide to eating for health, beauty, and anti-aging. The focus of anti-aging interventions in the last decade seems largely focused on cosmetic interventions. But did you know that many cultures celebrate longevity as the true mark of successful aging?
Please wait a minute. Teleporting in the metaverse. You have arrived at the Edible Beauty Lab.
Here at Dr.TWL, we are interested in the science of aging well. And where better to begin than with your diet? A little bit of background into how aging occurs, which is first at the cellular level. Long before you see the lines and wrinkles, which many bemoan as the first signs of aging, every organ of your body, including your skin, starts experiencing a phenomenon known as cell senescence. This means your cells are gradually falling asleep. Well, cells are best thought of as the little powerhouses designed to keep us alive and healthy. So that means repairing damaged DNA on a daily basis. Aging means that the body cells are less able to keep up with this repair. In fact, research shows that a nutraceutical-filled diet directly reduces the impact of inflammation, the key process involved in cell senescence. There is also plenty of research about the Blue Zones diet, for example. In certain parts of the world where there are a high number of centenarians, a phenomenon closely tied to dietary influences.
Please wait a minute. Teleporting back in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Well, by now, I'm sure you must be excited to join us in the Edible Beauty Kitchen, where we teach you how to cook up healthy and beautiful recipes by color. The best part is, if you are healthy, you really don't need any additional supplements. Simply eat a nutraceutical-rich diet, and you are well on your way to aging better and feeling better as well.